We stand at the crossroads of time. What are we truly seeking? Is this the cutting-edge technology? A revitalized ecosystem? Or perhaps chasing the tides of the era? Reflecting on the development of this era, we thank those pioneers who inspire, motivate, and transform us. The road is never stagnant, nor does it change abruptly. On the path of the globalization, we have always found clarity for the future amidst change, seeking change through continuous innovation. A decade ago, some remarked that manufacturing industry was swept into the turbulent wave of Industry 4.0. What about the next decade? We must break through barriers and transform change into a driving force. BOZWANG is a specialized smart manufacturing equipment enterprise driving the global wire harness industry towards digitalization and intelligent manufacturing. Leveraging strong technological capabilities, meticulous craftsmanship, and industry-leading R&D strength, BOZWANG is committed to creating a new landscape for wire harness intelligent manufacturing. In line with China's Belt and Road Initiative, we strive to provide efficient and high-quality services to customers globally, establishing a more professional and responsive international technical service team. Strengthening BOZWANG to become a leader in China's manufacturing while building a trusted international brand.
有人说，善变者才能在世界走得更远，而同频的人更善于思考变化。
Every step BOZWANG takes adheres to the principles of constant progress, focusing on the rapid evolution of technology. We strive for every step forward. From Changzhou, China, to global technology service centers, we integrate every moment into the wave of intelligent manufacturing. Adapting to the era, we transform ourselves. If adaptability is a skill, the perseverance is our pursuit. If adaptability is the direction, then intelligent transformation is our courage. Intelligent transformation is about exploring the future with others. Over the course of more than 20 years of development, from semi-automatic equipment to integrated smart production lines, deeply integrating intelligent manufacturing technologies and fully embracing the trends of digitalization, intelligence, and internationalization. The company has introduced ERP, MES, and other system software and upgraded ATI's daily production management system, building a cloud management network for the enterprise, laying a solid foundation for the company's sustainable development.
世界的大格局，需求智者思维，更需求懂得客户所需。
Focusing on emerging global business trends, BOZWANG stands firm on innovation, Specializing in intelligent manufacturing solutions, automotive high-speed communication harnesses, new energy high-voltage harnesses, low-voltage harnesses, and sensor harnesses. Our products are widely used in the automotive, home appliance, rail transportation, medical, and communications industries. Through continuous technological innovation, BOZWANG has not only set the benchmark for smart automation in the industry, but has also earned high market recognition and established solid partnerships with many renowned automotive wire harness manufacturers. As a team of visionary thinkers and innovators, we explore the questions behind every answer. Our journey is just beginning. Embracing every change is about pursuing a better direction, creating high-end, intelligent equipment, smart production, and intelligent factory models. We aim to grow into a leader in intelligent manufacturing. Just as the name BOZWANG signifies, together with our customers and industry colleagues, we are committed to advancing and developing the field of intelligent wire harness manufacturing and creating a new era of intelligent manufacturing. Pioneering the future, advancing smart manufacturing, thriving worldwide.